Greetings and salutations, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your boy Jack, coming to you straight out of Kingston, Jamaica. Alright, so today's review is just going to be a unboxing of a genre Parfums. This, I was lucky enough to win myself a bottle of the fragrance I'll be talking to you about. However, I was also bad lucky enough, whereas the package it was received damaged. Devin, however, who is the owner of the company, decided in his good grace he was gonna just send me a replacement, and here it is. I must say, customer service is top notch. Devin, thumbs up. Really appreciate the replacement. All right, so this is just gonna be a quick unboxing of this 50 ml fragrance here that I am so grateful for. This fragrance, I happened to smell this one some weeks ago. It was released, I believe, about a month or two ago, and I happened to smell this fragrance from my friend Craig. Wow. The red pouch, I really admire the red pouch here. It has this velvet touch. Devin, I'm pretty impressed. All right, I'm a lover of the pouches because these are multi-purpose, so I do love and enjoy a good presentation, and this, my friend, is definitely a good presentation. So let me take my time and open the package. Here I have 50 ml of Dopamine, all right, and this, I believe, is an inspiration of, hold on, let me tell you the exact name, Parfums de Parfum Mile High. Initially when I smelled this one from a coworker, initially when I smelled this one, it reminded me of a mixture of Creed's Aventus and also Creed's Virgin Island Water. I was amazed. The pineapple in this one is just so smooth, creamy. I'm sure coconut is not in this one, however, it does give me that feel, all right? And it has some florals in this one as well, and I believe patchouli. Let me test out the distribution. Hold on. Let me look at the atomizer. No, I don't like to waste fragrances, so I'm not gonna spray this one, all right? But no, all right, let me just spray that quickly. Very wide. Yeah, the pineapple is very creamy in this one. Wow, I'm getting some hints of mint with some florals. Wow. Dopamine from the house of genre Parfums. If I should rate this one, I would definitely give this one a 8 out of 10 from the house. All right, I have not tried the original, but this here is a banger in my opinion. I tried it, got home, and I was still getting use of this one. This is definitely a banger. So there you have it, a quick unboxing of Dopamine from the house of genre Parfums. I'm your boy Ja. Like, subscribe, and as always, share the love. All right, peace. I am out.